Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So as we all know, OxygenOS 15 is about to release for OnePlus 12, which will be a game changer. And in today's video, we'll be talking about all the changes, what we guys gonna see on OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus 12 series. We have somewhere around 10 plus changes, which will for sure come on OnePlus 12. First, talking about the release date. So guys, in China, I think there are holidays starting from 1st October to 7th October. Mostly on 8th October, we might get to see the first OxygenOS 15 open beta build. Meanwhile, you guys can go to the software update section and keep on checking the beta program. Now, before starting the video, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. With OxygenOS 15, we'll also get few stock Android features. I mean the app archive feature, which lets you archive any application without deleting it. That feature is already being rolled out on Pixel smartphones and hoping to see that feature on OxygenOS 15 also. So the first major change what you guys will see on OxygenOS 15 is the lock screen customization. You'll be able to add such things like depth effect, what we have been seeing on iPhones. And along with things like you can also add the step counter on the lock screen, you'll be able to customize the clock too. This is how you'll get to see the lock screen customizations on OxygenOS 15, where you have the options to change the color palette, you have some fonts options along with the clock styles. You'll also get to see this flux theme, which will give you more options to customize the lock screen theme. You can see there are few presets already available. According to your requirement, you can make changes in these presets. So these are the customization options for the lock screen, which you guys will see on OxygenOS 15. And we also have a fresh image from ColorOS, where you can see now the quick setting tile is completely redesigned. And this time the control center will have a separated notification shed. And you can also see towards the bottom side there's an icon to customize the quick setting tiles. Not sure about the resizable options, but that also we'll get to know soon. And you guys let us know, do you guys like the change what they have done in the control center on OxygenOS 15? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And there's another change layer to Dynamic Island. Now Dynamic Island will have multiple app support unlike iOS 18. So this was a video which we found on Weibo, and here you can see a difference between the ColorOS 15 Dynamic Island with that of iOS 18 Dynamic Island. I personally feel the Dynamic Island on ColorOS is a lot better now. And it's also expected that more AI-driven features likely to be introduced, including Google's Gemini AI. After that, there'll be a new feature called Video Battery Saver. Basically, this feature is designed to optimize the battery life when watching videos, avoiding higher battery consumption. We are not sure whether it will affect the video quality, but that we'll get to know once we get our hands onto OxygenOS 15. And there'll be another feature called Theft Detection Lock, which is a security feature which uses the AI feature to detect whether the device has been stolen. Currently, it's enabled in China, but we are exactly not sure about the global release. And with OxygenOS 15, we'll have a completely revamped charging animation too, which will have some animation effects like wave effect that you can see soon you insert the charging cable. On OxygenOS 15, we'll have a new setting called System Core, where it will show things like GPU, CPU usage, RAM consumption by percentage, device temperature, and also the Trinity engine detail module. And it's also rumored that we'll be getting two new icon styles. One will be called Radiance and the second one will be Shadow. And here you can see another implementation on ColorOS 15, which is parallel drawing architecture. Basically, this allows multiple applications to respond parallelly and continuously without any kind of interruptions. And the Flux theme for the lock screen will have around 8 presets, which includes classic, sleek, pulse, etc. And it's also expected that there will be slight changes in the settings page also on OxygenOS 15. We have already spoken a lot about the GPU insertion technology on OxygenOS 15, but currently on closed beta builds, it looks that it has not been implemented. But let's wait and watch whether they'll implement the same thing on beta or stable builds. Basically, GPU insertion technology will help to make games more fluid and smooth to play. Let's wait and watch, and I hope they add that technology on OnePlus 12, but it's confirmed on OnePlus 13. As per the news, people are also saying that OnePlus 12 will get this new color signs with OxygenOS 15, which have natural looking colors and more improved portrait shots. And at last, there'll be other features from Android 15 which will let you pair the apps in split screen. For example, if you're using two apps, you can just pair these applications and place an icon on the home screen. Tapping on that icon, both those paired applications will open up. Along with that, we'll have some features like cooldown notification to reduce the notification load and features like app archive. So guys, these are all the features currently we are aware about which we'll be making on OxygenOS 15. Which feature according to you guys is the best implementation? Let us know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.